Old Goa is a sacred place, and people from all over the world come over here. And they value the heritage, the built heritage, and also the living heritage, the surroundings around over there. And that's the reason there is an awe when they come over here. The country owns a lot of money from there due to the various people coming over there. It has also become a little business hub over there. So there is an eye of powerful over there. So what is happening over here in this side is that there was a small hut which was existing over there. They use all their means, their power, money to get their permissions. It is very evident from the ways they are getting permission. First of all, the only competent authority over here to give the permission is the ASI. And ASI, without their permission, no other authority can give permission over there. They have to say that provided the ASI gives permission. So here we see authorities like TCP is giving permission, authorities like CRZ is giving permission, authorities like Panchayat is giving permission without ASI. The ASI reports are very clear. The local ASI seems to be very good over here with regard to their duties. They have clearly stated that there was a hut existing over there was no house over there. And I have been in that place from 2008 onwards. I was over there. We have moved around over there. We have seen a small hut, a खूप कशे असले धाकटुले lodge कशे, but not. They were keeping all these coconuts over there. And with regard to that, I have been over there, so there is no question about houses existing over there. Secondly, we have seen from the report of the ASI, they were very diligent with regard to that. The permissions were sought for a big house. And this big house, the structure which was shown, the photographs which were shown, were from another place itself. And the ASI stated that we went to that place called as Parse in Perne. They saw that house, they saw that owner, they clicked the photograph. They were exactly matching with the photographs which were shown over there. So therefore, a fraud of first degree has been done to attack the heritage over here by some powerful individuals who are involved in that, in the barge of some small persons over here. So we have to see and conserve that place. And it is our duty as Goans, as well as the duty of all of India and the world, throughout the world, wherever they are, so that this heritage could be conserved and preserved.
Any political involvement is there inside?
See, without political involvement, no permissions can be taken. It is as easy as that. Authorities and the authorities who are there are small fries. Without political involvement, no permissions can be taken.
What's your name? Buildings झाली. जेन्ना आमी पयली सोदमली कितें एसआय कितें डेव्हलपमेंट कितें कोत्ता काय म्हणून मागीर आमकां कळलें हे एसआयचें डेव्हलपमेंट न्हू पूण एक प्रायवेट पार्टी. जेन्ना आमी इन्क्वायरी केल्यार आमकां एक डॉक्युमेंट मेळ्ळो तुमकां दिल्लो आसा सायट इन्स्पेक्शन रिपोर्ट ऑफ एएसआय. ते एप्लिकंट वॉज द जोस मारिया द गोवेरा पिंटो आनी मारिया लिनेट म्हणून. The survey number was mentioned as 41 Ella Tiswadi. The name of the monument affected as Saint Church of Saint Cajetan, Old Goa, and Ark of Viceroy, Old Goa. They are heritage monuments. Height of the monuments are 18 meters. Height of the existing building proposed for the construction residential is 9 meters. Distance of proposed construction from the monument protected limit falls in protected area. Protected regulated under which proposed construction falls within the protected area as per the Gazette notification published on June 1, 1968. Surrounding areas and approximate height and the existing building monuments are situated on plain land. Surrounding situation and the approximate height of the existing building nearby proposed construction. There are few wooden structures in surrounding area. However, the most area is covered with a coconut plantation without any structure. Remarks by the ASI. Applicant for the construction of the residential falls in the protected area of the centrally protected monument. Copy of the Gazette notification. Arch of the Viceroy and the World Heritage Site of the Saint Church of the Saint Cajetan, Old Goa. Since the proposed construction is entirely new, permission cannot be granted as it falls in the protected area. Only the repair of the existing structure as it may be granted without any additional structure. Photo enclosed. The technical permission is beyond the reference of the authority. Inga ASI, the local body सांगता it is you cannot give a permission in the protected area. So तेका permission कोणे दिली आणि ती कशी दिली ते आमकां जाणावंक जाय. की ASI सांगता it is the competent authority for to give the permission is the ASI. But they are saying it is a protected area. In protected area no one can do anything. It is a centrally protected. It was gazetted notice in 1968. So तेच्या उपरांत हे कशें जालें आणि ते पॅन्डेमिक काळान कित्याक जालें. We want to know कित्याक हे पॅन्डेमिक जालें इतले आतां इतले परमिशन घेतलें तेन्ना जाल्यार आतां पॅन्डेमिकान चालू कित्याक करपाक इतली गाय कित्याक जाली आनी इट इज गोइंग इन फास्ट पेस. रातचे थिंगा दीस रात काम चालू आहा. They are using heavy machinery which can affect the other heritage monuments. Viceroy थिंगा ते सायडीच्यान वयता ते. So till now no authority which are supposed to protect the monuments are taking action on this illegal construction.
Good morning to all and greetings from Goa Heritage Action Group. You are journalists and you are supposed to ask us a question.
So ASI सांगता you stop the work, it is illegal. जाल्यार पंचायत कशी दिवंक शकता. दुसरी परमिशन मेळोला पासून जाल्यार कशी मेळोली. It will be fraud only. Fraud कोण जाल्यार परमिशन मेळोंक शकना कित्याक लीगल लॉ सांगता you cannot build anything. And competent authority is the ASI. So ASI is objecting, then why other department is giving the permission? Now, who are they to give the permission?
DCPS.
Yeah, but who are they? It is a protected area. This area belongs to the permission can be only granted by the ASI if it's for repair or restoration of the structure. But other department after that they have to give. Till question delay. They cannot bypass the ASI and give the permission.
See, this is the bungalow they showed. This bungalow is in Parshe, Penne. It is there in your press kit.
Yeah, they have to yema ki जेना first thing reject केले म्हणून त्यांनी fraudly हे दाखवला.
हे दाखवून सांगले की आमकां हे रिपेअर करपाचे.
But the structure is not in old Goa, it is in
It's not
Penne.
there also. It doesn't exist there. The owners are also not the same.
So this is the fraud going on. And they want to destroy the पहिले आमची coastline tourism काबार केला and now they want to destroy our heritage. See, this is not only related to old Goa. Old Goa झाला तुम्ही किती झालं चालू हा. याच्या पुढे जायते स्टेट प्रोटेक्टेड मॉन्युमेंट्स आहात तिंगाय क्वेश्चन जातले. So we want to stop this. या वाजे फुडें जाम दिवंक पाना. We want to save our heritage for future.